A plane vanished. No signal. Just silence. The official narrative centered entirely on a mechanical malfunction aboard the massive airliner. Engineers meticulously reviewed the flight data and component failures to pinpoint the moment of catastrophe. The search for the missing aircraft began in a realm of immense, unforgiving emptiness. Investigators had to map an expanse of water that swallowed a colossal machine wall. The South China Sea presented a geographical challenge of staggering scale and complexity. Vast stretches of ocean offered no immediate clues about the fate of the planet. The sheer scope of the area involved created an overwhelming sense of futility for those searching. This emptiness acted as a powerful, silent witness to the aircraft's disappearance. The scale of the search effort involved mobilizing resources across multiple international jurisdictions. Governments from various nations joined the arduous task of locating the vanished vessel. Coordinating these efforts across vast maritime boundaries proved incredibly complex and fraught with logistical difficulties. The coordination required immense trust between disparate agencies operating in the deep. This global response highlighted the magnitude of the event and the shared, desperate need for an answer. The scale of the operation mirrored the mystery itself. Every piece of telemetry data presented conflicting narratives about the aircraft's final moments. Telemetry readings suggested a gradual loss of control, while other data points seemed to indicate an abrupt cessation of all systems. These fragmented reports refused to align into a single coherent story for investigators. The collected evidence offered multiple, contradictory possibilities regarding the planet's trajectory and fate. This inconsistency created a deep rift within the official investigation framework. The silence surrounding the event suggested a deliberate withholding of crucial information. The lack of any final communication raised profound questions about who controlled the narrative of the disappearance. Some theories began to emerge suggesting that external forces were at play behind the vanishing act. This absence of a clear message created an atmosphere thick with speculation and unanswered dread. The mystery shifted from a technical failure to something far more deeply unsettling and sinister. The South China Sea is a colossal expanse of water, a region defined by immense geographical complexity and uncharted depths. This area stretches across vast maritime territories, encompassing countless islands and submerged features that shift with the currents. It represents a challenging environment for any navigation, demanding precision and respect from every vessel traversing its waters. The sheer scale of this geography often dwarfs human understanding and our ability to map its true contours. This immense space becomes the silent stage for an event of profound mystery. It is a region where the ocean itself holds secrets deeper than surface visibility. Imagine the geography swallowing the flight path of the missing aircraft. The area is characterized by complex underwater topography, with submerged ridges and unseen trenches lying beneath the waves. These physical features create natural barriers that complicate any attempt at tracing a trajectory accurately. Navigating this environment requires more than just visual cues. It demands an intricate understanding of currents and depth variations. This complexity adds another layer of difficulty to the search operation. The sea does not offer easy clarity for those attempting to find what is lost. The scale of the search effort across this immense area is staggering in its scope and logistical demands. International agencies mobilized resources from numerous nations to coordinate a massive, global endeavor. Ships crossed thousands of miles of open water, deploying advanced technology to scan for any trace of the missing aircraft. The sheer logistics involved in monitoring such a vast region are almost incomprehensible. every nation contributed, dedicating their immense resources to this desperate search effort. The response from the world was immediate and desperate, reflecting the gravity of the situation. Governments and maritime organizations established complex protocols to coordinate the search efforts across these vast maritime boundaries. Communication channels became strained with urgent requests for information and updates regarding the missing flight. This coordinated global effort underscored the profound sense of urgency felt by everyone involved. The fate of the aircraft became a shared, agonizing concern for all nations. The physical reality of the empty expanse contrasts sharply with the intensity of the human effort. Thousands of miles of ocean provided no immediate answers, only an overwhelming sense of emptiness and uncertainty. The distance itself became a tangible force, emphasizing the isolation of the missing flight. This vastness magnifies the mystery surrounding what transpired in those remote waters. The silence of the water seems to amplify the absence of any audible trace of the event. This immense geography serves as a powerful symbol of the unknown forces at play. The vastness reflects the elusive nature of the truth surrounding the disappearance. The ocean's depth and its hidden features mirror the concealed details of the investigation. It is a space where unknown facts collide with inexplicable silence, creating an atmosphere heavy with unresolved tension. The sheer scale of the environment amplifies the feeling that some crucial knowledge remains deliberately obscured. By the way, if you like this discussion, don't forget to subscribe. There are many more interesting topics coming up. Bohler Listrik. The digital trail of the MH370 flight remains a haunting void of missing information. Investigators sift through fragmented communication that offer no clear narrative of the aircraft's final moments. Telemetry data, once thought to be concrete evidence, now presents a chaotic tapestry of conflicting signals and inexplicable gaps in the timeline. Each data point seems designed to obscure the truth about what truly happened above the vast ocean expanse. International agencies grapple with this fractured reality, trying to assemble a picture from impossibly scattered pieces. Analyzing the last known communication reveals a frustrating silence where desperate plays should have been. The fragmented transmission suggests a sudden cessation of contact, leaving behind an unnerving void of silence. These snippets, when pieced together, reveal inconsistencies that challenge the official narrative provided by the search teams. Different agencies interpret these fragmented messages in wildly divergent ways, creating a labyrinth of conflicting interpretations. This lack of cohesive communication deepens the mystery surrounding the disappearance. Telemetry data provides a stark and unsettling view of the aircraft's trajectory across the immense ocean. The flight path recorded shows an abrupt deviation that defies conventional explanations for mechanical failure. This deviation suggests a force acting upon the vessel that cannot be accounted for by simple navigational errors. The patterns displayed on the screen hint at movements that were entirely outside the realm of expected flight dynamics. These coordinates map an impossible journey across featureless water, leaving behind only unanswered questions about the aircraft's fate. Conflicting reports emerge from various international agencies regarding the aircraft's final moments. Each agency offers a unique perspective, yet their accounts remain fundamentally incompatible when scrutinized closely. Discrepancies in timing and reported events create a complex web of doubt around the official findings. These divergences suggest that there may be multiple, unacknowledged realities unfolding simultaneously concerning the flight. The conflicting narratives amplify the sense of an orchestrated mystery surrounding the event. Deconstructing the fragmented data requires confronting the inherent limitations of the evidence presented. The telemetry signals are incomplete, leaving vast swathes of the flight path shrouded in uncertainty and speculation. Analysts struggle to reconcile these disparate pieces into a single, coherent story about the vanishing act. The missing context creates an enormous void where crucial information hold reside, forcing investigators into a state of profound intellectual deadlock. This fragmentation is perhaps the most unsettling aspect of the entire investigation. The less known communications are riddled with ambiguities that resist straightforward interpretation. The few remaining messages offer tantalizing hints but lack the context needed to understand the full scope of the situation. Interpreting these fragmented words requires a level of intuition that official protocols struggle to provide. The ambiguity itself becomes a tool, reflecting the deep uncertainty felt by those attempting to piece together the events. These remnants speak less of a disaster and more of an intentional erasure. The telemetry records offer a chilling perspective on the physical reality of the disappearance. The data points suggest an impossible trajectory at devious known physics and expected flight parameters for such a large aircraft. This suggests a deviation far beyond simple mechanical failure or external environmental factors. The sheer improbability of these recorded movements forces observers to question the very integrity of the digital evidence presented to them. It is a record of something fundamentally unnatural occurring in the silence of the deep. When the official narrative of mechanical failure dissolves, a deeper darkness begins to surface. Theories emerge that challenge the established facts of the disappearance. Some speculate about rogue military actions, suggesting deliberate interference in the flight path. These theories paint a picture of conflict far beyond simple aviation error. Investigators begin to look at shadows cast by geopolitical tensions and unknown agendas. The silence left behind is not empty. It is filled with the echoes of speculation and fear. This shift introduces an entirely new layer of complexity to the vanishing act. We move from physics to politics, seeking the unseen hand that guided the aircraft astray. The notion of deliberate sabotage introduces a chilling possibility into the investigation. Cold external forces have manipulated the flight systems in a calculated manner. This line of talk suggests an intentional act aimed at silencing communication and erasing evidence. It implies a level of coordination that transcends standard operational procedures. Speculation drifts toward organized groups operating outside conventional oversight. These narratives suggest a hidden agenda, woven into the fabric of global power structures. The silence of the flight becomes a deliberate choice, not an accident. Shadowy narratives thrive in the vacuum left by official explanations. Fringe theories suggest that powerful entities orchestrated the event for their own ends. These stories explore the dark corners of international relations and clandestine operations. Some proposed that the vanishing was a deliberate maneuver, designed to conceal sensitive information from the public eye. The psychological weight of this uncertainty is immense for those who contemplated these possibilities. It forces an examination of what remains hidden behind official pronouncements. The search shifts from finding wreckage to the chief-hearing intent. Consider the psychological toll of believing in these elaborate conspiracies. When official accounts fail, the human mind seeks patterns and meaning in the void. This uncertainty breeds a profound sense of unease and paranoia among observers. The unknown becomes a tangible presence, manifesting as deep-seated anxiety about unseen forces at play. People grapple with the fact that there may be truths deliberately withheld from them. This internal conflict highlights the fragility of established reality when faced with such massive gaps in chronology. Rogue military action remains one of the most compelling, albeit unsettling, theories. This posits that powerful forces may have intervened directly in the airspace over the region. Such actions imply a level of operational freedom and disregard for international boundaries. The idea of unseen actors manipulating global events generates intense fascination among those seeking alternative explanations. These scenarios delve into the realm where state threats intersect with catastrophic loss. The mystery expands from an aviation incident to a geopolitical thriller. Deliberate sabotage suggests an internal betrayal or calculated external attack. This narrative demands an examination of the systems that govern modern travel and communication. If failure was intentional, it implies a sophisticated level of planning and execution. It forces us to question the integrity of the technology and the institutions meant to protect it. The pursuit of these theories is driven by a need to find a coherent explanation for the impossible silence. These narratives explore the dark side of technological dependency. The emergence of these shadowy narratives highlights a profound human need for narrative coherence. When facts are fragmented, the mind instinctively seeks a story to fill the void of chronology. These theories allow us to impose order on chaos, even if that order is terrifying. The psychological toll involves confronting the possibility that reality itself is more fractured than officially admitted. It is the struggle to reconcile official reports with the unsettling possibilities of hidden machinations. This pursuit into the unknown reveals the deep human craving for definitive answers. The disappearance of the Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 remains one of the most profound enigmas of modern history. We must move past the simplistic notion of a mechanical failure to grasp the true scope of this vanishing act. It is not merely an accident, it is an absence, a void left in the maps of the world. The official reports focus heavily on technical malfunction and operational error. Yet, when you examine the totality of the evidence, a deeper, more unsettling question emerges. This silence speaks volumes about what happens when systems fail beyond human comprehension. We are left staring at an impossibility that defies conventional explanation. The search for the remnants of that flight became a global obsession. Entire nations poured immense resources into mapping an expanse of water that seemed determined to swallow the evidence whole. The sheer scale of the South China Sea presents a geographic challenge that borders on the absurd. Ships traversed this immense area, searching in waters where no trace was ever expected to be found. This massive undertaking exposed the fragility of human control over vast, untamed territories. It highlights the enormous logistical effort required to find something that simply ceased to exist. Deconstructing the fragmented data reveals a tapestry woven with conflicting narratives. Telemetry signals, communication logs, and reports from different international agencies present a fractured picture of the events that transpired. These disparate pieces of information refuse to align into a coherent story. One set of data suggests an immediate catastrophe, while another hints at a prolonged, inexplicable drift. The discrepancies between these accounts create a profound sense of unease among investigators. It is this lack of synchronicity that fuels the mystery behind the vanishing act. The weight of the investigation shifts from mere failure to systemic oversight. It suggests that the true cause lies not in a single error but in the complex interplay of human systems. Examining the protocols and the chain of command reveals layers of complexity that were perhaps too opaque for effective response. Systemic failures often conceal deeper, more insidious truths about institutional responsibility. This reframing forces us to consider the possibility that something was deliberately obscured from view. When official explanations prove insufficient, the shadows of alternative theories lengthen. Speculation begins to fill the vacuum left by verifiable facts. Narratives emerge suggesting deliberate sabotage or actions taken by external forces. These fringe theories explore the dark possibilities when established truths are deliberately withheld from public view. The psychological toll of confronting these unknown variables is immense for those who seek understanding. Ultimately, the ghost flight compels us to reframe our understanding of reality. The vanishing act is not just a tragedy of physics or mechanics. It becomes a stark reflection on human error, institutional blindness, and the terrifying reality that some truths are intentionally hidden. The mystery deepens into a profound contemplation of what lies beyond the edges of our known knowledge. We are left with the unsettling realization that there are gaps in the narrative we have been given. Hi everyone! Quick reminder, subscribe for high-quality daily content. Kilauan subscribe now before the next video. We have a special upload tomorrow. Tanda tegangan tinggi.